Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how are virtual data rooms used and what do these contains. Virtual data rooms have become an integral part of modern business and operations, particularly in industry that deal with sensitive data and requires secure document management. How are virtual data rooms used? Virtual data rooms find application in various scenarios across industries. Here are some key uses cases. Merger and acquisition. One of the primary uses of VDRs in merger and acquisition transaction. Buyer and seller involved in merger and acquisition deals rely on VDRs to facilitate due diligence. These rooms serve as a centralized repositories where sensitive financial documents, contracts, legal agreements and intellectual property records are stored. Legal due diligence. Legal professional heavily utilize VDRs during due diligence process related to legal proceedings, litigations or contract reviews. Fundraising and investment rounds. Startup and organizations seek investment or funding rounds leverage VDRs to securely share sensitive financial business information with potential investors. Regulatory compliance. In regulated industries such as healthcare, finance, biotechnology, organizations use VDRs to meet stringent compliance requirements. Intellectual property management organization focused on intellectual property management rely on VDRs to safeguard patents, trademark, and licensing agreements. Broad communication and governance. VDRs play a crucial role in broad communication and governance. They serve as a secure platform that for distributing broad materials, including strategic plans, financial documents, to board members. What do virtual data rooms contain? The contents of a virtual data room can vary widely based on a specific use case industry. However, they typically contain the following types of contents: financial documents, financial statement including income statement, balance sheets, cash flow statement, audit, financial reports and tax records, financial projections and forecasts, investment agreement and capitalization tables, legal documents, contractors and agreements including vendor contracts and customer agreements, partnership agreements, intellectual property documentation such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, legal opinions and due diligence reports, litigation records including court filings and case documents. Third, corporate records. Organizational documents such as article of incorporation bylaws, board meeting minutes and solutions, shareholder records and stock certificates, compliance documents, regulatory filings, compliance reports, privacy policies and data protection agreements and certifications and licenses. Number 5, transaction related documents, letters of intent and memoranda of understanding, purchase agreement, sales contracts, due diligence checklists and reports. Number 6, intellectual property documentation, patents, applications and related correspondence, trademark and trademark registration, licensing agreements, IP evaluation reports, board materials, agendas and minutes, strategic plans and business presentations, financial reports, performance metrics and fundraising investment material, business plan and investment presentations, term sheets, investment agreements, pitch decks and market research reports. In conclusion, virtual data rooms have become its indispensable tool for across industry, serving a multitude of purposes related to secure document management, due diligence, compliance, and collaboration. As businesses continue to recognize the importance of data security, transparency, and efficiency, virtual data rooms will remain at the forefront of digital document management and collaboration solutions. That's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.